Maya. Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today we're gonna create 4 super easy ponytails that you can recreate in seconds and spice up your everyday look. Oh, by the way guys, don't forget to like this video. This way I know you're enjoying it and I'll do more of them. But let's get started.
For the first, we want to select our top section, leaving only a little bit of our hair underneath. We'll make with it a ponytail. Then we'll divide our underneath sections into 2, bring it up, tie it using a clear elastic again, loosen, twist it a bit, and bring your main ponytail through this created loop like I'm showing. You can tighten it underneath and you're done. For the second one, we want to select again our top section but making a V-shape parting, and we want to tie with it again a ponytail and loosen it a bit to make it beautiful looking. Divide your underneath sections into 2, bring it up, tie it using a clear elastic, and twist it, creating a Topsytail. Don't forget, of course, to loosen a bit your Topsytail, this way it will look effortless and chic. Then we want to select 2 small sections from underneath of our previous ponytail, bring it up again, tie it, twist it, creating again a Topsytail and loosen it. And your second ponytail is ready! For our third one, we're gonna actually make a central parting, but of course in the front you can make a side parting of course too. So we want to select one section, divide it into 2 and twist it away from our face. We want to twist around each other, creating a little rope twist and tie it. Make sure it's loose and repeat on the other side as well. So this way we will create some texture. Now, you want to bring together our ponytails. Make sure to pull one ponytail through the second one through the same elastic like I'm showing. So this way we are kind of gluing together this ponytail. Now, you can leave it as it is, but I don't like when actually my rubber band is visible, so I decided to grab a section from underneath, wrap it around the elastic, and you want to tuck it into the elastic underneath to hide it. And you're done! For the last ponytail, you select again our crown section, tie it, creating a ponytail. Now you want to select one section from one side and bring it to opposite one and grabbing just a little bit of hair from your opposite section like I'm showing and tie it. Now you want to grab remaining side section and bring it to opposite side and tie it again with a small section from underneath with a clear elastic. Loosen a bit and you're done. Also guys, here you can accessorize your ponytail as you like. Either way is beautiful with and without accessory. I'm right?
I hope that you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. If you do, don't forget about like I said before, and don't forget to subscribe guys if you are the same hair obsessed like I am. Guys, don't forget to check out my previous hair tutorials, ponytails, and of course some updos. But that's it for today, and you know, I love you so much and see you soon in my next video. Bye!